Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the AirPods are paired and visible in Bluetooth. Once done, keep the case open near your unlocked iPhone so the connection prompt appears. Now open Settings and tap Bluetooth. Make sure your AirPods line shows with an info button. This first step is about entering the right control panel quickly so you can change connection behavior before the chime repeats. Act now to avoid extra steps later. The changes you make here control automatic sounds and detection. Once in the AirPods detail page, tap the small info icon and turn off automatic ear detection to stop sudden play triggers. This often removes the immediate connection chime. Next, change Connect to this iPhone from automatic to when last connected or a manual option so it won't auto-connect and sound. Then return to Settings Sounds and Haptics and lower Ringer and Alerts or Toggle System, Haptics off. These reduce system noises that accompany pairing events, which together silence the opening sound. To finish, close and reopen the case and watch for the chime. If you followed the steps, it should be gone. If the sound persists, reset the AirPods by holding the setup button until the LED flashes and then repair them. That clears lingering profiles. Make sure your iPhone is updated and restart it after changes. If you still hear noise, test another device to isolate whether the AirPods or the phone is producing the sound, and then repeat the reset as necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.